Harvest Grand Prix.
Yeah, so lots of options there. We'll see how this works out as we get closer and closer to the event. What we do know is we got the Grand Prix coming up this weekend on Saturday, followed by the Xfinity race. And then on Sunday, 3 o'clock start, a late start for the Brickyard 400.
It will be sticky. It's going to be so we're still expecting 90s, but at least from what the weather folks were talking about, it looks like at least right now it should be a dry weekend, which is good. Which goes to something else yesterday. We had lightning, we had thunder, we had everything but rain at my house. And I was going to say, we heard from the weather, the National Weather Service and everything. There were some areas that got 3 inches of rain yesterday. We didn't get a drop at our house. And a buddy of my neighbor was out there, and I said, oh, it rained everywhere but here, I think, in our development. So it was interesting how scattered everything was, which is, kind of what you
talked about yesterday.
At the track, it could be raining at turn 4, but not in no other place. It's sunny and beautiful every other place.
Sometimes it goes right around you. Sometimes I've seen it out there before. Honestly, a couple of years ago, I don't remember which year it was, but we were up in the press box up there, and you could see it rolling in, and then you could see it raining like a quarter mile up the road.
Yep.
It just didn't go. It just didn't come through the track.
That's how big that place is.
Huge.
Pretty amazing.
Quarter mile up the road, you're starting to get to the golf parking lot that way, aren't you?
Yeah. That's so
They have nothing else to talk about on this subject, so let's move on.
From a media standpoint, and it would be so unnerving to be there without people. It would just be very surreal. So, but
I want to say that last year you didn't feel safe.
That's a nothing right,
can I take the lunch line? We have plenty of extras.
Hey, programming note, today, 3 o'clock, right at the beginning of the show, Kevin Pritchard going to stop by and talk to JMB. We're going to talk to John at 7:45 this morning. He'll tell us a little bit more about that conversation. Man, there are a lot of questions to ask a general manager of an NBA team right now, Joe.
Yeah, they are going to, obviously, they get started tomorrow. Pacers will be in their little camp situation right here in town, and then they leave.
Oh, geez, it's almost July.
So they have a few days to get together, and a lot of protocols in place to make sure.
July starts tomorrow.
I guess if you want something to happen,
There's a lot of scuttlebutt. The scuttlebutt says tomorrow.
Here, because then once they get down there, it's another couple of weeks before they get the season started at the end of the month. So, and the Pacers' actual game is August 1st. Is the first
Who cares?
taking part in, that's against Philadelphia. That's Saturday. So if anything's going to happen, I guess, I don't know, can you just say, hey guys, let's go ahead and, you test everybody. Obviously, they've already gone through that. You continue to test. But, I'm wondering if you can get right into it and they just, pick up as an open game situation.
We'll ask all those questions. John will join us at 7:45. We'll see what's on his mind. We'll talk to him and his thoughts, too, on the 85. But I look up Darius Leonard is not the answer. We know they're going to give him control of the net part. He's going to program it. I think it was today. I'll double check on that. But they let him choose a bunch of programs. And one of them, I don't know why he chose this at 4 o'clock. Apparently, it's the Super Bowl against the New Orleans Saints. Why he chose that one, I don't know. He's probably talking about that right now. Then there's also
Look, man.
regular show. But Darius Leonard.
I am trying real hard to forget that game even exists.